Okay, so it turns out that the coronavirus could really mess up some lives. So let's talk about that. So I used to be a college student, and that's no longer a thing. I was supposed to graduate in the spring, but it turns out that a lot of people are getting sick, and we had to basically evacuate college campus. So now this has a number of effects, one of which is that I'm completely unemployed. It also means that now I do not have a place on my college campus. So I have actually moved to my brother's. I've actually wanted to do this for a while. I just think that it's a very good location. I'm not going to say where, but it's a very good location, and there's a lot to do around here, and I think that it's just an awesome area. However, I'm now 100% unemployed, so this is kind of hurting. I have started looking for jobs. The issue is that not a lot of places are hiring right now, simply because we are actually in shutdown. There are no businesses open that aren't essential, which is definitely an interesting time. So now that I am on a lockdown, I actually have a lot of time on my hands, and I think it's finally time. This summer I want to do a lot. I want to make a lot of content, and I want to work on my car, and I just want to hang out with friends, and I think you guys are really going to like what I have in store. I've been working on this for a while over winter, planning it all out, and I think it's finally happening. So it's been a while since you've seen this car, and I think it's time that you finally see it again. Also, definitely stick around till the end of the video because I have quite a big surprise for you. But let's get to it.
Almost there.
They're right behind me.
Almost there.